Hi everyone, and welcome to the real-time coloring video for my Your Got Superpowers interactive card video, where I'm gonna color a lighthouse from the Glowing Seaside stamp set and a mouse from the Superpower stamp set, all by createasmilestamps. If you want to see the card making video of this, I will put a link up in the right corner down in the description and at the end of the video. But let's get talking about all of the coloring, and again, sorry about the sound. I'm using my iPhone earbuds to do this voiceover because I'm on vacation. It is Midsummer's weekend, so we're celebrating. Anyhow, I'm using some Copics here to color my mouse. Started with some W4 and then I'm going in with some W2. I know I missed the caps there because they're in my hand. I usually stick down these images with a bit of tape, and I didn't do this time. And then I just hold, because when I'm coloring and not recording, I hold the lids in my hand, and yeah. So I forgot to put the lids down, but now you're gonna get them all. So I started off by giving this little mouse just some simple shadows. I don't want to have too much details. He's a very little character, and I kind of like him just being super easy shadowed. Put a little bit of shadow on his back ear, underneath his chin, around at the bottom of the ear, kind of thinking that light is coming from the upper left corner. So I'm trying to put the shadows on the mouse there. I did, however, to forget to shadow underneath his cape. That was bad of me. But sometimes, you know, it's just artistic freedoms. You can always tell yourself that. Then I'm using some reds, and I always use my reds last because otherwise I will dip the other pens into the already colored red and I will have red streaks all over my image. It's just a tip from me. Just a tip. Just do the red as the last color. And I added the shadows there at the kind of wavy parts of the mouse. Now for the lighthouse, which is the big part of this coloring video, which is one of the shorter ones I had. To color lighthouse, you want to make it round. And when you want to make an item round, you kind of want to imagine that the light comes straight forward, because it will make it a lot easier. I also added a slight shadow just underneath that kind of top landing, because it will have shadows, but otherwise I do the darkest, like 2 straight sides, and then I moved in with my second to darkest and just pushed it a little bit extra. Again, the lightest, which was W0, and then I used a 0 in the middle because I wanted to kind of just lighten it up a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with my red colors. Again, I usually do the color red last, or when I've done all the colors that will be next to the red, and that is because I will pull it all over the place, as I just previously said. Again, I do that where I add small little lines on the sides of the lighthouse. Then I do these little triangles, darker triangles at the edges, and then just go in carefully, making the triangles more erect, sort of speaking, but continue to have those double triangles, and that will kind of give you the effect of a roundness but pointy thing at the top. I'm using 4 colors, just like the white, so it's pretty easy to have. You just do the same colors again. Now I wanted to add a little bit extra dark dimension into this. So for the windows, I'm thinking upper left corner as my light source, and therefore I do the shadow towards it because they are holes, so the light will kind of just land at the furthest part of the image, and the shadow will be deeper where the hole is towards the sun. So yeah, that is the lighthouse, and that was all coloring for today. I want to thank you so much for watching this very quick Copic tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you do, please thumbs it up. If you have any questions, just comment down below and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you again for watching and I'll see you later. Bye!